Three Idiots เขานะ movie อันเราจันตัวนะปังอันนี้ค่ะปังงโซเลยกันกัลโดนะเฮ้ยฮีกันเชียดันตัวละชวนนี้ทิเบตอารมณ์ล่วงทับปกะจันละดากะให้กันล่วงอ่ะชวนไชน่าเลยอินเดียอินอัจฉริยะจูบปกะไลน์มันฮีinteresting ด้วยตัวกะ10% he disputed เนี่ยทิเบต50จันละดากะให้40อ่ะออกมาจู่กันว่าโดนนี่
culture mix หน่อยโดนนี่จู่
อันนวมโดนจานินออกซิเจนกันไปจะก็หาย
โอ้ยกันเชียนป่ะที่กันวาร์พักเลยอ่ะออกซิเจนเต็มไปครับอันนี้แต่เห็นด่าลูกตัวเมีย
ออกซิเจนไปใช่ไหมคะ
Yes, oxygen.
Where's the oxygen?
Here is the oxygen.
Oxygen อันนี้อ่ะฉันจู่พายจังอ่ะเตี้ยเนี่ยโอ้ที่สร้างดูเล็กกับจินเฮาฮีบวยนั่นโตดูเล็กทีนะข้าบางคานี้ไก่นี่พวกข้า problem กันเนี่ยเปล่าตากันนะตีอ่ะมันเสกไก่นี่จุดล่างมีกันเนี่ยกันโตเราตัวละกันง่ายอ่ะ
กันนะตัวที่สิงขัดสังทุ่มมิเตอร์ตรอนเอ็มมิเตอร์สิงขัดสังทุ่ม
ไอ้ปนสังนี่สิงขัดสังนี่โอ้สิงขัดสังนี่บอร์เวล
สิงขัดสังทุ่มอาสังอ่ะกันกัลโดนนี่
พงปุยไอ้สัง
พงปุยไอ้สังเตี้ยกันกัลโดนอ๋อซึ่งมันออกซิเจนยังไงกันริง
โอเคนี่กันโฮเทลฉันนะคะอันนี้โตโกเชนอนไม่อันนี้ตุ๊ป้าละฮีนี่ดูสักเรมบ็อกซ์
อันนี้ตุ๊ป้าฮีนี่จานะมินฮอสชักกับไม่เฟลไอตัวซงเนี่ย
ทีนี้มันที่กันแต่เวมันไงเราอาจจะทักโซ
อัน hospitality ฉันลุกตุกตัวที่เป็นที่ที่ลำเตะล่วงชัดๆใช่
อย่างสตรีมเต็มอย่างที่มันคอยแค่นี้ทำมา
อ๋อบด
อันกดถึงมันไปมวยกันติดตัวเนี่ยคนสั่งมวยด้วยแต่ว่ามีแล้วกันคุยจ่าชาโดนนะเฮ้ยตัวไหนเห็นนี่กันสอบโดนเสียอันนี้อันนู้นแต่หันกันปฐุมแต่หันกันทุกทับเจละ
อินฟิตอะไรก็เละปฐุมกันก็ที่ตุกแล้วอันนี้การพูนมอเตอร์ชันไหนตัวไงหรอโมอาเซียเลย
อันวันไหนครบไหม
อาจารย์สุกันสวยลูกไงแล้วได้ก็ตัวเต็มนี่เราจดนัวละไอ้เงี้ยอาเซียนโซเทนนเตียแล้วได้ก็ชวนนินเซนโซจู transportation ที่อัตโตไม่มาเฮ้ยนี่เชียนเขาชวนเฮ้ยเชียนเต็กันไงนะอาซาร่ามอเตอร์เอ็งกิ้งไอ้เงี้ยอัดทัดเทอังเปอร์ไอ้เงี้ยหุ่นกันกันไงแล้วนั่นเต็กันหมู่อันดัวจุงจูอันนี้ยัน local มีเลสอันนี้นะอังนินมินเรารวมหันสักให้กันวันนี้ดูตุกินี่จูมิโซก็ตัวที่อินอมปนอาหารตักลุตุกจวงเราว่ามาเสกันวันนี้นะกันสวยอาหารตักเบอร์จูโอ้นี่เสียมอเตอร์มันเวลนี่ไหม
อาจุเล่
we are currently in Choskit place Choskit She is about to serve us the breakfast.
Yes. We're going to have Ladaki breakfast at the princess house.
Yeah, Ladaki princess. We will have a house tour very soon.
Yes.
Yeah, when the house is done, I'll send you pictures.
Her house is bigger than the Ladakh palace.
Anything else you have to add?
Yeah, my let's see.
All right. Oh, hi, Julie.
Hello. Okay. She's very pretty.
Yes.
Very pretty. Just like Auntie is preparing for us the butter tea, right?
Yeah, she prepared the tea for us.
Wow.
And I'm just going to...
Oh, ito na yanin. An mani nam serve danin ni serve do na ni. An no dik tak ni. Hey. Achen tenen. Achen te som ji ni ti han.
My mom is like, you're making fun of her.
Very, very pretty. He feels it's a strong on it, man.
Dry apricot. We have to hold like this.
Just leave it.
No, it's okay.
Okay, try it.
Miss Aboy,
Okay.
capture this.
Capture it.
Oh, wow.
This is
Butter tea.
butter tea.
Soft. Yeah, butter tea. It's very different from our tea.
Obviously, it will be different from your tea.
Hey, auntie yan, mutton day, veg day, and market roti sa kan mutton na hanggang dip ta, and butter tea po. Hey, inanuam. Aha, damro rin ay din.
Tapos over.
Dumped and lying.
This and this and this. See all these things. We get in just one morning.
So tomorrow actually we can make use of this one in the dessert. Like
Welcome back.
we're back.
Hey,
The VIPs.
Oh,
Look
yes.
at our this one. This is called scarf.
the Ladaki scarf.
Katak.
We got it from Tinla's mother.
And
We are very fortunate.
Very
Not just this scarf. She gave us 500 rupees.
that is a huge amount of money.
Yes.
I think I should buy land in Ladakh.
Oh yeah, we should invest that money.
500. And actually this is very, I don't know, very silky and very nice to put it on. And thanks to Tille mom. Tille's parents are really good looking. How do you feel about today?
A bit sleepy.
Okay.
But it will be, I think it will be interesting, but the journey might be tiring for all of you. Because we are taking...
How many kilometers are we going to cover?
300 is much,
Yeah.
Around 300?
Around 300.
300?
Yeah.
In single day.
300 kilometers.
Yeah.
Alright. We can do it.
So embrace for it.
Yeah,
5 hours, more than 5 hours journey.
Let's
Looking at last day there.
Kan sao be to he ni tu na ya na maro su. Yang he kan experience le thing em ti ma sure box si lawa. So ngon chuanin chao chungin nan ti sam nge.
It's okay now.
Yeah, tomorrow we can like coming back, right?
Do pa man lo stile pero no pa.
May motor
Oh, yeah, take it. Silver quality namun into something. Yeah, take that. Yeah, like.
Wow. Talk to me. Na hian hey an monastery. Tro hey. Oh, Titse ania. An nalani.
Little Tibet.
Oh, little Tibet anti. An monk. Ha line. Heta hianin Tibet drama lekhan wazir China kala lekhan na Asia ka. Chuan khata lekhan na Asia ka. Kemin Tibet drama ni ang lo dio te po mai thema se. Chumi copy chuan an zia ka ni. Gan nal sia hi. Oh, the drama hoa kan rol tan chawa he tian he. An kong ko. Eh, kan driver ya ha tol tuk. Eh, are you feeling cold, buddy?
No, I'm feeling sweaty.
Sweaty, cold also.
We are above the
Above the clouds.
clouds, yeah. And
Above
not
the
only
clouds.
that, above the tallest mountain in Mizoram.
Hi. Kan tumram kan kheng to ne. Mun hi anu awani kan lu tanga achu nga ran tilanga nga.
Kula konin hey se kuna ko chanin vai tam deuh ka kan kal don lawa vai tam bak lo nang chi han kan kal don ni
khoi mo na bo hen vai hi chu an tamani
afim zia oh my good lord look at the water oh tuna Mizoram ai oin Miss Faki lo dive ma saber nga
Miss Faki e ka chu ka aching tai to longan ni lo fagdang
now we are going to start our pooping competition
Mizoram ai oin tuna Pangong Lake Pangong Lake a ching ber ha ni
masaber oh arap lai kan la arat la pat hai
festival a ha
arap lai takka arat li pat lo
So the 3 wise people from Mizoram are getting ready to.
she has to go back to capture the moment.
here's my feet
Oh my goodness. Funti, you please take off your jacket. You look like a grandpa.
oh tuna hianin Pangong Lake ka
Okay.
Mizoram ai oin ke ke
Hello, Pangong Lake ata jaile dum. Me de how to. Anin how what lu ga how to la. Ai nei to du chen khela I ma mo lo. Even one. Wow,
oh my god
you're so good.
that's true you can't even make
Queen of the Pangong Lake.
yeah wait okay wait
Time for the Prince of Pangong Lake. Queen, Prince. First.
both of your princess
Yeah.
ooh
First time.
Mr. Boy, how was the water?
it's freezing cold but I love it I wish I could take home to wash my face every morning
Wow.
Tuna so thiron thona salu tu so ron khupei pop pop mai oh puilu tu sala yason China so kan vakal lo kan tia so Great Wall of China so mu the renga hey luya te kan tan mop mop don ani mela tuna hian Nubra Valley kan pan me kan ni kong kan bo nge po kan chelo kan hunga khen mi pathumin miral zui ber mo boka We are stuck in the middle of the
And we're
the
starving
river. Yeah.
without water and food. Actually, we have
For the night.
yeah. Actually, we have one bottle here. It's very
I
precious.
have my nimbu.
Hey, kan ay tour na itakta kan ito na kan stuck kan eh.
Bina
Darn
yan.
ito.
Kan plan angin kan thelawa. Dar so ma pel to ai. Tlai dariat. Ring ma dawle khanin tlai muni kan thleng to a. Ase kalkong an lo siam sia. Chu bang chon kalkong a khanin lung lian pani. Ti ke turan ne ti po turan ne ya ka ka. Jesse pina then fai le nga ya. Ka bang khanin kho la han sa chung nen khan. Tuna hian dar so ma pel to a jing da khan le chan be vera chon kan zo the kan tia. Na thok te tuna han chon ei le me box ya ka. Kan nga re mel khop me ya. Tu ke jing kan phurang mm kha chon tuna chan energy level to sang to vak lo ma ra.
Pagong Lake ka kan phe ka. Hey, kong selam pangkha kan explore achan chu kong tha kan kal le chon dar kar ria chuang kan tla ngai sia. Ela mi shortcut kan la a. Chon lui te kan zo a chon I khatinga kan han ti kha kong an sia ma kha blasting ten lo dile sia JCB pakatalo chele boxia tuna yang kan tuar me kan kan champa funti pe chin tilang lokte zao tol to funti
Come on.
please
Show your face.
you have to show your tired face
Yeah.
zao tol
Try to look more tired than you.
just kid pun tura zonga just kid show your like dinner for tonight
Yeah. This is our dinner for tonight. So we are very poor right now. Yeah.
no, we are poor and hungry poor dilaw in Mizo, you know poor means I'm full okay
Pagi is poor.
anyway kan lom
Min ko eh chon comment section la kan.
ka GP number ka da an tim ka dom nei kan la lim ve thai ni tro kan che dei an fel kan lom
Yan tin lei pei chu kar khat top. She took 1 week like holiday for us, right?
exactly and Funti also
Yeah, Kundi also.
I gave up my business for you.
That's
why he's not
broke.
Yeah.
Is he broke right now?
broke
I've only 40 rupees now.
I didn't show you money buddy
Yeah. This much only. Because of you guys.
Ladaka coffee shop chaber de tui ber nei tu nei che somli che nei to
Only 60 rupees I have.
He also broke so kan ito.
kan lo sai do ju Ladakh an nom tu ga he mi kan kal kong hi chu mistake tak tak ni ko chalom
At this time, it doesn't matter if you're rich or poor. You just
oh
have nothing to eat.
exactly tu nang huna jan re thei le ho sa kha om ji om lo tui pakhat che kan nei ase kan lim tho ro
Nè kan him.
kan len le chon tui dai kai te ngai do na chan dar kar nga nge dar kar
How long will it take to reach Nubra? Suppose if we
I mean,
cross that one.
the same place where we had the lunch
Oh, that one. No, that's risky. We'll have to cross
No,
those.
just in case if we go back.
We go back.
How long will it take?
5
Now, at this time, it will take like, just say 4 hours.
More than 5 hours.
4 hours.
Chak
Til a na tur na kapan don
Sure,
tayo sa
yeah.
tunan
Good,
dal
good.
kali ranga dal ka nga belat lana nga dona.
Also, the water
Mga sa
and
tuna hianin.
the flow in
Hemi kan na bula ko na iber. He what's the name of the village?
which one?
the closest
Angam.
Agam.
Agam o mama say ara thintlang belu tuka takhanin he homestay mu malang po ka ombok silo wa chawan chanin ram noya ti hanin kan nga do to pani.
o changin I salum pang kan kal chuan darkar ni velan clear the an ringa so bo chu ala chiang chuang lo ta ma se na hian respect in kan nu ani ase nuam kan ti thau free camping
Minus the food.
minus the food exactly ma se tui kan nei lo mo kan tia thanom te he tangan ong
But
bethawa
at least add about the stargazing that we did. That was
Oh,
epic,
yeah,
right?
yeah, kan kan ta ang
You guys saw
stargazing kan
the
ni na
Thalak la do kan ne ya RC nen tha te kan la hawa. Chan ma se tu na hian hi RC po hian min phatchan nin kan chian kiam duak to a.
stars pon min betray vek to so GP number hala thing lo anyway karon ti lang le ang natuwa kan kan tur poi kan chau view we the kan dam lo chanin
Kan last program. Hey tu ki zinga po kanon chwa do shim hang chaw chung chungin he kan tia dia min swai chwa ka kan thei to do lo mo kan tia chan chu ni zan ma kan mu tha over lo ha an fel le lu tu ka hey ta chon chwa kang u an tia ti khan mi kan hlim lo hian hlau lu tu ka wa ei tur kan ru ma an ron cha lu tu ti khan kan ma mo bak bak he mi ron supply reng box ya chu wang chuan tu kan zing a khanin
yes we owe them a lot
kan ya kan chaw de hle ka ma se he voina po kan chaw ti po shat lo an bula kan nom hi chuan an fel tu ka
an hun boy takara kan tan hun ro za zana kan la tan pui zu ya in tan pui bo ka ma sen nom kan hey tui pakati hey emi pakatin klem te sin kan in thei ka in tan chuan ma sen nom tho tro
ne no
dinner kan la miss abu din pe chuan oh miss abu nen pe chuan wina lunch kan e thalo le ha breakfast atang kan
breakfast la ka botol ka roi ka luak chuak clear maggie kan ei ve lunch a kan kan
chu song chu ni anyway kan tang ri nge hey kan non vlog san chu heavy share reng na atan to share reng tu ra da kan du fa ani inti khoi thak tum na nga gp pu kan cancel
ya
bye bye
kan shil she ve shim
miss
shim
fakit tilang mai shim na tro
miss fakit po hey ni to zan lai dia po ongro mu pu mu the ram ni ani cho mu thona sa tor to ka kan non tilang lo me ha
ro like Miss Pakipoy.
Trong trai ha chứ gì qua.
Chẳng lẽ chú cần nên lúc Hindi boy trong trai.
Oh, he's also praying. Okay, they are very concerned about us, so they keep on praying for us.
Chana. Dâu ra mà trong chana cái nó cái ấy chả.
Cái bà đi con rồi, cái bà đi qua. Cái Miss cần dinner không? Miss
Cần cái này khai nghe lắm.
Lapet. Lapet
Mình
đâu
dâu
mà
là
đâm lại
mình dâu là lapet đâu cái ấy bị ngay. Nghĩa là cái ấy tụi nó ôm lo chứ. Cần mốt. Okay, nè cần offer lại thôi. Rated để là cần để là. Chú làm một tôi cần rồi á.
Yeah, wrapping up day 3.
Day 3.
Ni zing da khatle. Mini somnga le pathum bor vela ni ai. Kalkong diklawa kan kala. Chon khi lại khen JCB na thok boka. JCB na thoki. Kong kan han zot chop to pani. San chu kan kal na tur hi chho lu to ka. Ni sina kan tan na kha. An ver tlanga chuan kha kha veilam panga chho tur ania. Chu chu kan thiam pa hian dinglama min kal tlang pui ta sia. Chuan dinglam kan kal na hi kong hi abum bo khop maya makha kan ti khop maya chuan lo dik lo tange nge ni khi kan han confirm che jing da nia ron ni za thak to nia lo
This is Zing Dar. Miss That's not a lot. They were Miss Abwin Kong Ku and Can you can let her wings again? Then do how to let's go.
Đang ở đây mình sống thì bên thì anh đi ăn đi dàn khăn hay là muốn nãy hen cần riak tóc mấy nè con cần bầu được tụi con cần bầu chân chú con chuyện tiếp theo nữa vào quân đó á con ăn lâu rồi construct nó sẽ mà khá khai mình thì tang rồi à cho village sẽ khăn cần đồ ta mình lâu mua phép tổ xia này mua này giả là chân anh mà cần một thể lâu à nuông view lâu à sẽ cái hàng hở chứ hôn đi nuông ta cái này mày cần một tập mày này cần một túi về nó tục thầu này cần chuyển bay ở thổ về lại hở về lại cần tụm ram cần pan đó này Miss Abby got chung many. Chung to and go very lesson.
Tell us about this place.
So right now we are in Asumur village, and the camp is Saser camp. So it's run by my cousin brother, my elder mom's son.
Okay.
So yeah, we can just crash here. So it's their own private property and
Free apricot.
good thing there. These are not ripe ones.
Yeah.
The good thing is my brother and his dad, they're really good at carpentry. So most of the things, the wooden chair and table, they must be made with them.
Look at those.
Make sure you do the tour of the.
Yeah,
And look at this. Look at this.
You want hot water?
I don't know what that is, but it looks like willow tree.
Which one? This is willow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Apple.
This is apple.
Yeah, this apple.
Swan. Tapos ang willow. Kati willow kati. Apricot thau boka.
Some side is very.
Adang dai na daw su. Adang dai na daw su tiang kan thira vura lo ma. Chuan so lai lu ka kan pheya. Thalerang me khalo ni le lo zol le duai boksia. Mak ve thei khop mai he chuan hi tai hi apple.
Room tour
Ania chuan no. Room tour kan neyang tuna. Ka room tour ni mela.
Miss Abby room tour, grand room tour. Đi gần chậm.
Miss people were there.
Let's go to this.
Yeah.
Welcome to our room for today.
Slipper ka bun box ya ka lut lo meang.
Nó là vui su mi khua đó nè, mà hi cần xe ngày bữa đi lâu.
Oh, hi tungi ya.
Xe nào bị
Ka lai Ladaki.
Đi ra nó ăn chẳng hả?
Kaya.
Khá một tô
Si
ra
mi
mà
lo
mua
nia.
cái gì?
Excuse me.
À chị Lê. Tôi lên phòng cho cái đó nè. Hay gì? Cái room này hay, đèn chung với cái này. Hay. Bedroom, toilet in Kim. Mahal right? See? Te hi mi zo lama. Be te se kan ti le. Ajule tu kan ka san phat me. Ajule bye. Ni jana amel le tu kin amel tu da kan lo compare. Himalaya tang ma alo ding le si abu ka nga di han background na don du.
May tatak. Katlan sa Himalaya. Sendun sa katlan na. Himalaya lang niya.
Kan tan cha cha kong pe kan mu to ba. Pui to ba. Ai hi ni fel FM chu. Chu shen he box si do. So lai. Ei tu na hianin kan om na mun hi kan fang vela tin lesin hela hi local garlic ate.
What this is?
The grass. The name of the grass.
Wild garlic.
Wild garlic.
Oh, let's try. Let's
Okay,
try.
okay, okay.
She told me that we can sense this with the smell, right?
Oh yes.
But garlic, I know the taste of garlic, so let me try it.
You are so wild and adventurous.
Tribal people actually.
Yeah, we are the tribal woman, right?
The headhunters.
Actually, bye.
Oh, loi pu ada ve siem.
Loi pu da ve an chap ve.
Tlai nom na em chu tan kan muta. Chuan kan view hi an taula.
Yes, kai jo, no ai thing kung hi. Perfect. Ito halay te boy na ta.
Oh, then so kan chan nui min long ha ka sa thing pu in turin ka khong ngai thei nya. Oh, so. Hun ninge mo chen nuwa cho kan nei le do na nia. Ha, ni min la ma mi sa lo mo to kam nu ya eng ma ka nei thei da wa. Ril tram to kin ni zara kong kan bo zui box ya. Na chuan in hei tui takin cho ka nei do na nia. Kan pu to le ni choi.
Yes, hey, Saser, right? Saser camp pa kan mega hi kan ni sana motor kan ria na bul na ya khan alo oma thei thin la si cousin hai cousin de camping center ni ala hi trekking center right su an nuam lu tu ga zo kan ei don kan phur do thoro miss pagi kan ni sana ni da jule kan char ka
Nagina, we will have a tour of this camp.
yes, make sure you come and visit this Saser camp.
Yes.
Okay, bye bye.
Sumur village.